Today we're out hunting rare Pokemon cards. We found some last week. Let's see if we can do it again. This might be the biggest restock of Pokemon I have ever seen, and it's somewhere you would never expect. Cargo Largo had all of this. Look at this. This is base, Scarlet and Violet base here. We got Surging Sparks in stock. We got, what is this, a Reshiram battle deck. You have your Temporal Forces here. Battle League. I've never even seen this before. What do we got? Okay, lots of different cards in here. We have Temporal Forces, Twilight Masquerade, $10 for these? The prices are insane. Stellar Crown over here for $3. A blister pack for 10. Pretty beat up Meddling Sparks here. And lots and lots of Surging Sparks in stock. It looks like lots of, oh, hello. I can't even go through all these. D24. I'll go through them, and if there's a hit, I'll let you know. Over here we have, what do we have? A bunch of battle decks. Whoa, Meowscarada, Zapdos EX, the Kangaskhan EX. Look, I mean, I'm shook. I'm shook. Whoa, what do we have here? A24. I'm going to guarantee you these are all A24s. Yeah, we're going to call it good. I'm not going to sit here and, okay, maybe I am. A24. Okay, that's it. That's it. And here we are, even more in stock. There are 3 locations in this Cargo Largo. Guys, don't sleep on the Cargo Largo. More Surging Sparks, more Stellar Crown. That's $3.99. Did I just see $3.99 for Surging Sparks? $5.99 for Fusion Strike. It's insane. I don't expect these to hang out for very long. I see people in the store right now with shopping carts full of Pokemon, literally full. Thankfully, there is a limit here. What is this? More Pokeballs? Are you serious? Here we have some of the Paldea adventure chests, and here's what I'm talking about. Limit 6 items per family per day. Very good to see. So 6 from a set, or so like you could get 6 of these adventure chests if you really wanted them at $20. Hey, that's a good deal. Here we have some Paradox Rift, Temporal Forces, Boss Mastiff EX collection. Hold up, let's do a pack break. We're ripping some Pokemon Pocket TCG cards and we're gonna see what we find. Oh, Butterfree. Guys, I want a better hit than that. Pack number 2 coming in hot. Let's do it. Gyarados. Not what I want though. Pack number 3, baby. Let's do it. Come on, Pikachu. Show me something good. We got an Eevee. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Brock. Not so much. Guys, I'm opening some promos. Just let me open a promo. I need the Blastoise. Bad. I need the Blastoise. Hey, it's new. Okay, one more promo. This is going to be the Blastoise that I need. Because okay, that's not Blastoise, but the next one, I'm going to do another promo and I will get the Blastoise. Just watch. Here we go. This promo, Blastoise, guaranteed 100% going to happen with the Eevee. Now this promo, this is a Blastoise right here. No more Mouses, no more Eevees, Blastoise. Okay, I only have a few more packs left. I need that Blastoise. I don't have it. It's the only one I'm missing. No mice. No lizards, no bugs. I didn't say no Eevee. No lizards, no bugs, no mice, no Eevee. No Eevee, no Eevee, no Eevee. That's a lizard. I'm just not gonna look this time. I'm just not gonna look. I'm not looking. It's not gonna be any of the stuff that I don't like. It's only gonna be the lizard. Okay, it's the lizard. I'm not even gonna say anything about this. I'm only missing one card. I'm only missing the Blastoise. Pokemon, I need the Blastoise. I need the Blastoise. I don't even know what this is. The Volcano? What even is that? Opening the pack. Here we go. I'm opening the pack. Here we go. Maybe if I open it the other way. I'm locking in on this pack. I know I got it. I know it's a Blastoise. It's the freaking mouse. Increasing levels to double lock in. We're going into this pack and we're seeing the Blastoise. It's the lizard. Second to the last pack. We have one more pack after this. I'm gonna open it nice and easy. I'm gonna open it up nice and easy. Okay, Blastoise. Yes! Okay. We got it. We got the Blastoise. Oh, he looks so good. He is so chunky. Man, that's a great card. Okay, we can go on with the video now. Here's the current state of my target. They definitely have a lot of Lorcana in stock. Down here we have the Ogerpon EX and Ursaluna EX collection boxes. Let's have a look. I know we've seen these quite a few times. They don't even have prices on these right now. We have your Surging Sparks inside of there. Stellar Crown, it looks like, as well. What else is up there? Maybe a Twilight Masquerade? I'm not quite sure. It's been a little while since I've looked at one of these. But altogether, 6 packs inside. Ogerpon looks cool. Ogerpon looks cool. Ogerpon looks cool. Here we have your Ursaluna EX collection box. I think this is probably going to go for $20. It looks like a lot of Stellar Crown inside. It looks like one pack's like missing here. There's your Ursaluna EX, big chunky boy. Here he is again. Your Hoot Hoot, your Noctowl. That is that collection box. And unfortunately, it looks like Santa did not come to this Target. The cookies are still here untouched. It's Year of the Eevee, and what do we have? Look at this. We got all of them right here in a little display. This is actually very tempting. You got your Umbreon, your Sylveon, your Espeon, and your base Eevee winking at you. You also got giant Eevees down here. Sprigato just taking a little nap. Oh, that one's sleepy too. Mimikyu, Cubone. You know, the whole gang's here. Wow, I can't believe these are in stock right here. This is cool. This is what's come to. I don't see any packs at the store, so we're over here in the electronics. Boing. Why would there be Pokemon cards there? Why would they even have them? There's no reason to, right? Pulling out all the stops, guys. We're at like a merchant square. Well, check this stuff out. Target and Walmart, nothing. Doing nothing for me. So this is what we're looking at. Here we have a lot of the Japanese collections in stock at this place. That's Obsidian Flames there. What else do we have? I don't know the Japanese names. You have 151. Looks to be older sets back here. There's like Scarlet and Violet base there. There's Ogerpon. Down here we have some more Japanese in stock. I, again, am not really a Japanese collector, so I don't really know about this. Here we have some English. Temporal Forces for $4.50, Paradox for $4.75 for Twilight. Shrouded Fable. Come on, guys. Come get your Shrouded Fable. Look at that. Stellar Crown, $5 as well. Down here we have some Elite Trainer boxes, $50 there for the Stellar Crown. Shrouded Fable, Darkness Ablaze. Hey, you don't see that very often. $95. Wow, for that Surging Sparks. $50 for the Battle Styles. Twilight Masquerade back there for $60. Not a bad little collection here. Over here we have some more Pokemon. Wow, there's so much Pokemon in stock here, but of course it is marked up quite a bit. You have your Surging Sparks, triple blister packs, Stellar Crown, $25 there. Crown Zenith. Whoa, Tyranitar for $60. 3 Evolving Skies inside of there. Paradox Wisdom and Terra Team. Down here we have Evolving Powers, Premium Collection. A lot of nice cards there with the Gardevoir VMAX, and the EX. A lot of Magnezones as well. To be Obsidian Flames, Paldea Evolved. Some of the random packs there, $55 for that. And of course the Tropicos EX Premium Collection. $95, that's actually not a bad deal for that. Normally $120 MSRP. There's an old Pokemon Game Boy carrying case. Oh man, I remember having something like this. I had Pokemon Yellow in it. That was a good time. Atari games. I did have Miss Pac-Man there. Down here we have some cards. What do we got? Oh, there's Trainer there. Jinx EX. Quite a few Trainer cards. Oh, those poor Eevees are getting all bent up. All bent out of shape. Ooh, Pikachu from Pokemon Go. There's Lacey back there. Fortnite. Hey, Fortnite. Not a bad little collection here as well. And oh, look at all the amiibos. Here's a kind of sad case here. $4.99 for your Scarlet Violet base. Looks like $175 for a booster box there. Just one left. Clara Premium Tournament Collection. Up here we have some more Scarlet Violet base for $175. I think you can find this better online if you're looking for Scarlet and Violet base itself. In this low, bro. Guys, they got the Obama card. They got the Obama 2008 election collection Obama. That's cool. Oh, and then they got the wrestling guys too. Oh, there's Obama again. This is me. This is me with my big brain. I just need help. Batman throwing knives. Oh, those are cool. Those are sick. Oh, I probably can't show all these kind of knives and swords and stuff. Oops. We've made it back to the studio, and what we're going to do is we're going to open up some Surging Sparks. I know I said Surging Sparks so many times during this video, so that's what we're going to open up. Can we take camera 2? Looky there. This is what it's going to look like on the live stream later today at 6 p.m. Central. I'll have that information over here somewhere so you guys can find out when I will be live for you guys. It is going to be a fun giveaway. We're going to be giving away some Prismatic Evolutions. Yes, I know, very hard to find. You're probably going crazy today with it. Hopefully you found some yourself, and I will have some for you guys tonight. But for now, we're going to be looking at these Surging Sparks cards, and I think I need to reverse this, don't I? There we go. Okay, so now you can see what it says. Hey, this looks pretty good. I didn't practice. Oh my goodness, what do we got shining back here? I didn't practice this or anything. Oh, that is a good sign. Guys, Eevee for the Prismatic Evolutions tonight. We're going to put this right here. That's foreshadowing. We're going to see a lot more Eevees tonight. Believe me. Terra Orb. I'm pretty happy with this little setup. Flapple. Doug Trio. Ooh, so majestic. Tandemouse. The Berry. And Dialga. That's it. Ah. Well, don't worry about that. What we got is what's important, and that is Eevee. We're going to see a lot more Eevee later tonight. I hope. I know. We will. Right? 6 p.m. See you there tonight. If you had a good time watching the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. You'll need to do all that kind of stuff for the giveaway. Let's try to get more people there. The more people that show up, the more I'm going to give away. Appreciate the 500 subscribers. We're going to 1,000, baby. Let's do it. I will see you in the next video.